something about breath work, 70% of the toxins within the human body actually come out of your nose. So when we talk about detoxing, if y'all ever did a detox before and you ain't ever did breath work with that detox, you were not maximizing on that detox, okay? Because 70% of the toxins actually come out of the nose, okay? So tip, right? Whenever you're doing a detox, make sure you do breath work. And we're going to get into some breath work exercises. The BTCOW group, which is called Breaking the Chains Off Wellness. I want to ask you guys, like, has this Breaking the Chains Off Wellness group been very informative, and how has it transformed your life? I know we got 5 minutes left. Answer those 2 questions.
Okay. I guess I'll go first. It's been very, very helpful for me. I see a lot of results. I see also like, personal things in my life that I'm manifesting into right now that's coming into tuition. And let me just put it like this. Veganism has just opened my eyes to a lot of things that it makes me look at the world a different perspective now. So that's what I have to say about that.
So I'll go next. I think that this group has been so helpful. I like the fact that it kind of feels like a one-on-one experience, even though we are in a group, because we're able to communicate and we have that help from you to where it's like catered for us. And I was looking for a community like that because it's hard. Not everybody likes to be alkaline vegan, or they say that they want to be, but they aren't like fully, and they aren't super committed.
Yeah, same here.
And so I don't know, it's been really great, and I've been learning so much already. And I love going on the website and being able to like look at the recipes or find any new information that you put into the library. So it's been so great.
Okay, awesome. Well, thank you guys so much.